It's Saturday morning, guys, and it's bleaky, and we are on our way on our trip to Trelawney. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna be showing you just some little synopsis of what we did for the day. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy. We got lost, but we have reached our destination and we are finally at the place, choosing our tubes, putting on our gears to go on that river. Guys, it's Rio Buena in Trelawney, and we are going to be tubing and rafting. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, to get on the other side to the river, this is a little swingy bridge, and everybody was screaming because it was unstable, but eventually we crossed over. Guys, we were taking our tubes over this bridge, but because of the unstableness, our tour guide came and assisted us. Thank God. I made it, guys, over on the other side. And we are off now to the waterfall and to the start of the tubing. So stay tuned. Guys, we finally made it to the river, so we're heading up now to where that fall is, that beautiful water. So you're going to see what is happening. Our tour guides are assisting us. The river is deep, the rocks are slippery, so we had to take our time to get into that water because we didn't want to fall or anything happen. Alright, so
guys, yes, it's so deep. Boy. In there, he's protecting us. Yes? He's looking out for us.
yes, guys, we made it. So now for the experience of that water.
Once you're wet, it's gonna be refreshing, I promise you. No, like make a difference. And if you cannot swim, the life jacket is gonna keep you up so you can float around. Who next, you?
So guys, we are on to the tubing now and the rafting. So we are getting ready now.
Lift your butt and which part you don't, alright?
Oh my God! This is relaxing. This is so nice. This is so nice. I can't let her go now. She gone on the river. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Relaxing.
What about the tube?
So nice. Oh my God. Look at the rivers. This is beautiful.
Everything to get timber.
They want to back there, they don't the bridge that we couldn't cross. Cannot cross, shake it, bridge. Wow. What a mountain! Yeah, Papa!
Sometimes the river push it straight to the bank, alright?
Yeah. The river come down bank to bank.
Bank to bank.
So guys, we are at a point now where there's a lot of bamboos and it's time to do a dive into the water. So take a look.
Yeah, go again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
They are lost.
Helmet. Get your belongings, alright? So we're ready to rock and roll.
It's 1, 2 here.
I'll do it one at a time. But get your helmets, get your belongings, with everything.
Why we didn't carry food come?
You love your belly too much.
I mean love.
So guys, we're getting ready for part 2 of our journey. we are taking back our position on the tube and on the raft. All right. The bamboo. And we are on our way singing to the tune of Bob Marley.
Alright, sing it to me. One love, one heart.
And praise to the Lord, and I will sing. Stand up. Get up, stand up.
Watch your back. Watch your back.
Guys, it was such a beautiful, relaxing day. I hope you get a chance to experience this. Alright, it's so calming. It makes me feel so good. So go ahead and book and try this out, okay?
Bono River is so peaceful. For now.
You know, I don't enjoy rafting.
Eh?
I don't enjoy rafting.
Like that, what am I doing?
Rafting and rafting.
Oh, you mean?
So guys, at this point we end our tubing and we will now go onto the raft to complete our journey.
Who's going first?
None of it, no one yet, no one yet.
So guys, we have boarded the raft and we are on our way to our final destination. Guys, look at the beautiful water ahead of us. While on our way, guys, we saw this Tankwell building smack in the river right there. And look at it, guys. The water is so peaceful and so nice. It was so relaxing. Guys, we also saw this land right there and the ship in the middle right there. Guys, if you look straight ahead, you can see the beautiful blue sea meeting the river at that point. So we're going to be crossing over into the sea shortly.
Journey for the rafting on the Rio Bruna. Yes. So we're heading now. So the river meets it's here in the sea, right? So we are heading now on the other side where the beach is. Okay? I can see our transportation way over yonder. Okay? Yeah!
So guys, this is the end of our journey. I hope you like this video.